Hey guys, Ron Mowen with Vengeance Racing. Wanted to reach out and put together a quick highlight video of a company that we recently worked with. Over the winter months, we did some renovations to the shop. As you know, for those of you that know me, I'm an extremely OCD individual, and that carries over into the shop environment as well. It was time for some new paint, new lighting, and new flooring. I'm pretty particular about folks that I choose to work with, just like I feel like our clients are with us. And as I was researching floor coating companies, looking at the warranties versus the price versus the longevity, a lot of people just weren't fitting the bill for me and basically said, you know, they couldn't guarantee coating in a shop environment like this for any period of time. And I just didn't get a warm and fuzzy, if you will, from most of these companies. Then I found a company based out of Texas called Distinctive Concrete Concepts, owned by Tim and Ashley McGill. And what intrigued me about them is they had their own proprietary formula that they offer, and they offer a lifetime warranty in writing on their work. So I reached out to them thinking, you know, there's no way these guys are going to travel from Texas to Georgia to put floors in a little, you know, 8,500 square foot area. But come to find out, they're very good people. They were extremely excited to make the trip to Georgia and work with us. And that's exactly what happened. This went down about 3 months ago now. Tim unfortunately wasn't able to make it out with us, but he sent his wife Ashley and a crew, and they arrived on a Sunday, and they were just going to drop off their equipment on Sunday, but you know, after driving all the way from Texas. But these guys are hard chargers and they mean business. They showed up Sunday and unloaded and then asked me, you know, hey, if you're going to be here for a while, you know, we're cool with going ahead and working. So of course I obliged. You know, they're all the way across the country and they want to get to work. So long story short, over the next 4 days, they prepped, cleaned, installed base coat, clear coat, about 8,500 square foot. And they were out of here on their way back to Texas Thursday morning. The professionalism that they exuded, the work ethic, the attention to detail, the pride in workmanship, like they wanted the floors to be perfect. We filled all the joints and seams, leveled out several areas, addressed cracks. I'm standing in front of our logo that we had impregnated into the floor under the clear coat, which I don't know of any other flooring company that's even able to do that at this point in the game. But they were out of here. Shop was literally perfect. And, you know, we're only 2 months into the life of the flooring, but it looks like the day they left. We've drugged stuff across it, trying to do the best we can, but hey, you know, we're working on cars. We got stuff to do. You know, we've rolled engine stands. Cars are pulled in and out every day. You know, it's seeing water, everything, and it literally looks brand new. Super easy to maintain. They told us to wash it with, or mop it with Dawn dish soap, and I just couldn't be happier with the work they did. And I know a lot of people out there, business owners, shop owners, car enthusiasts, heck, just people with a residential garage that want a nice flooring. And I really felt like this company deserved some recognition. You know, there wasn't a single moment in the process that let me down, and that is very uncommon in today's world. So hope you enjoy the video, the process of the work, and do yourself a favor. If you're in the market for a coated flooring system, I would highly encourage you to reach out to Distinctive Concrete Concepts and speak with Timothy or Ashley. I can pretty much guarantee you that you won't be disappointed.